In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your 3D Stegosaurus Craft Kit. Start by applying your green ink pad to your mini Monstera rubber stamp, and then press your stamp directly onto the wooden Stegosaurus. Reapply your ink to your stamp and then stamp directly onto the wood again. Continue to stamp all over the dinosaur's body. You can create different designs, such as stamping around the edge of the wooden shape or stamping randomly for an all-over pattern. Just remember to reapply your ink between every impression. We design and laser cut all of our wooden shapes from the finest Scandinavian birch wood. We then sand the shape smoothly on both sides, ready for you to get stamping. Plus, as we use real wood, there's no need to prime. Once you've stamped one side of your Stegosaurus, leave it to dry for about 30 minutes before stamping the other side. Next, apply the same stamping technique to the wooden legs. Make sure to sort the component parts for the 3 Stegosauruses in this kit. There is 1 large Stegosaurus and 2 small Stegosauruses, each made up of a main body, front legs and back legs. It's important to make sure that you have the correct size legs for each Stegosaurus body. When you finish stamping and they're dry to touch, flip them over and stamp the other side. To clean your Monstera stamp, stamp repeatedly onto a damp cloth or a wet wipe until there is no ink residue left. Apply a colourful outline to your wooden dinosaur by using the pointed tip of the ink pad to lightly brush around the edge of the shape. Make sure to apply light pressure when applying the ink to the wood. Apply the same shading technique to the front legs and the back legs. Repeat these steps on the reverse side of each wooden shape. When you have finished decorating your Stegosaurus components, leave to dry for about 30 minutes. Once all the components are dry, the Stegosaurus can be assembled. Ensure you have the correct parts for each Stegosaurus ready for gluing. Apply a small dot of PVA craft glue into the slots of the main body. And then gently slide the front legs and back legs into place. Leave your Stegosaurus to dry for 30 minutes and then it is ready to be displayed.